my name's Ed Middleton. Today we're going to do chicken and potatoes. We're going to add some liquid too. The question is going to be, is it soup, stew, bisque, or chowder? Comment below. Tell me what you think. So first we're going to take the chicken. We're going to put some, this is just breast. We're going to put some salt and pepper on both sides. Just a little bit of olive oil. Then you put your breast in away from you. We're going to do about 1 minute on a side. And now it's been a minute. Turn it over. Nice and brown on one side. Now it's been a minute. Check it. That's good. Take it out. Not cooked all the way through, but that's okay. And we're going to start with our vegetable base. And start putting in stuff. So, this is a ½ cup of chopped celery. With 2 cups chopped Idaho potato, and about 1/3 of a cup of chopped ginger. Put in some water. Really just enough to cover. And bring this up to a boil. Alright, as you can see, it's boiling a little bit. I'm going to season it. Because you should always season as you go. Now, clearly the potatoes, celery, and ginger are going to take a little bit longer than the rest, which are basically half this size. And if you're wondering why there are so few carrots and so few onions, it's because I don't have very much left over. You can call this cooking on a budget. So let's do, now that it's boiling, let's drop it to a simmer. Let's cover it and cook it for about 5 minutes. So now it's been 5-6 minutes and it's still rapidly boiling. You can see that the liquid levels dropped a little bit. So now, and I just gave it a taste, it really does taste like ginger. Ginger is the dominant flavor in there. We want to change that. So now we'll put in the rest. There are the carrots. To that
This is a quarter cup of onions, and I've mashed 1 garlic. It's going to get pureed, so I don't mind that it's just 1 garlic clove that's been mashed. Mix that in. Help the garlic to sort of separate a bit. Now we're going to bring the heat all the way back up again, because now we're going to add about 1.5 cups of chicken stock, which will push it more towards the chicken that'll be going in later. And we'll just give this a stir. Now let's just come back up to the soft boil, we'll say. Have you ever bought an ingredient for one dish and then didn't ever use it again? That was the case of me buying this. This is red curry paste, which I bought for a peanut sauce recipe, and I thought, oh, I'm sure I'll use this again. Haven't used it again. So I'm going to use it here. I don't want to risk changing the entire taste of the soup, but it could be a nice condiment at the end. So take a bowl, I'm going to spoon off some of the liquid. And then we take a hearty teaspoon. And we're going to add it to the liquid, and then just sort of stir it up. And now we have a red curry sauce to go with our chicken potatoes combination. It looks like this is going to be more of a chowder now. So I'm going to pour this in. And we're going to put in about a teaspoon of oregano. And we're going to puree this, but don't want to go crazy, so we're going to pulse first. Take a peek. It's potato soup. And it's creamy. As you can see, it's creamy. So, bring the pan over here. Now I finished off the chicken by put it in the oven at 350 for 15 minutes. And now it looks like this after I've chopped it up. I'm going to add this right in. Now it's time to plate. So, you can do anything you want. I thought it'd be a little cool to... Now this is day-old rice that I just happened to have from yesterday. Because yesterday I made chili. And I just wanted to put the rice down in a neat little package, and I figured, why not do it like a shot glass. Now, my side is going to be peas. So I'm going to spoon some fresh peas here into the middle. And it's okay if they get away. And then okay. And then here is the red curry paste that we are now going to put right here at this end. And we're gonna sprinkle on some orange zest over the rice to really bring out that fresh. And there you have it. Chicken and potato chowder with a red curry sauce and rice and peas. Thank you for watching.